Angelina, and today we are going to be making slime at two things. You're going to need a spoon, a cup, or something sturdy at least, glue, toothpaste, but if you don't, and food coloring, but that's optional, you don't have to have that. So the first thing you're going to need to put in is your toothpaste. You're just going to get you a little. You don't want to get you too much, unless if you want to make a lot, of course. Okay. Now I'm just going to take this, then you're done with the toothpaste. And then we're going to do glue. So here's our blue, and we're just going to add a little drop. And put that back on. Then we stir it in. Stir it in. So here is the pretty blue that we have made. And then we're going to add some glue. And when you know it's starting to get slimy is when it's not sticking to your container that you're making it in. So it's, as you can see here, it's getting looser, like it's not sticking as much as it did. And this will probably be as much glue as we'll need. So now I'm just going to stir it up and I'm going to do the test. It might need a little more toothpaste. Yeah. So you can just add a little more if you need to. So just get your toothpaste. Add just a little more. Get this. And then we just stir it all and no big deal. And then if you do that, it might make your color lighter because the toothpaste that I'm using is white, so.
But now it's sticking, right?
There we go. So here is our beautiful toothpaste. You know.
Needs a little bit more food coloring, right?
No, it looks like. But here is our beautifulness. You can see we didn't make a lot, so. And you can add like something thicker to thicken it up. Like we could even add gel, you know, to thicken it up if you need to. But that's all. Bye.